To begin, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open your settings. Swipe up to scroll down until you find the section called Additional Services. Then tap Passkeys. Now tap Add Passkey to begin the setup process. Snapchat will then show you where your passkey will be created. If needed, you can change the email address shown below. Once you're ready, tap the Continue button. Now verify your identity using your device's security method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, your fingerprint, or your screen lock. Once verified, your passkey will be created automatically. After your passkey is created, you will see that it has been successfully added to your Snapchat account. The next time you sign in, you can use your device's biometric authentication instead of entering your password. A Snapchat passkey makes signing in faster and more secure by using your device's built-in security features instead of a password. And that's how you can create a passkey in Snapchat.